Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today I'm looking at a Skyworth, lead the future as they say, LED projector. This has FHD, 1920 by 1080p, up to 120-inch image, so that's quite large, much larger than even the 100-inch televisions that we've seen today. It's a home theater style setup, and it supports iOS, which is iPhone, and Android cast technology. And we'll get to the actual projector itself. You have top controls in the top left corner of the projector. Of course, they're orientated for people looking from this direction. So we'll turn this around so you can see what they look like. So there are the controls right there. So that's pretty simple. And then you have focus and keystoning right here, and that's what you need for projectors of this type. And then on the back we have all of the available ports. So you have 2 USB ports and 2 HDMI ports, as well as AV and headphone, and the charging port is on the back right there. And on the front, it's very neat, you have the infrared port right there for the remote control, and of course the lens that projects the image. It's always really neat to see the lens on these projectors. So that is glass right there, very nice. And then off to the side we have the remote control, and then all of the attachments that it comes with. Power cable, you have these cables for video and audio, as well as the AV cable right here for audio and video, and the simple and easy to use remote control. This is Skyworth projector, and it can project up to 120 inches at 1080p, and it's model number T1.